Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The day-spirit exquisite light of fragrant flowers found the door of liberation, arousing the pure faith and understanding of boundless sentient beings. The day-spirit, everywhere collecting marvelous herbs, found the door of liberation, of power to assemble and array all-pervading lights. The day-spirit, liking to make joyful eyes, found the door of liberation, universally enlightening all sentient beings, whether they be suffering or happy, and causing them to realize the enjoyment of truth. The day-spirit, observing the directions and appearing everywhere, found the door of liberation of different bodies of the worlds in the 10 directions. The day-spirit, majestic power of great compassion, found the door of liberation, saving all sentient beings and making them peaceful and happy. The day-spirit, radiance of goodness, found the door of liberation, of the power to produce the virtues of joy and contentment in every way. The day-spirit, garland of beautiful flowers, found the door of liberation, of universal renown, and bringing benefit to all who see. At that time, the day-spirit, displaying palaces, imbued with the power of the Buddha, surveyed all the day-spirits and said in verse, "The Buddha's knowledge is like space. It has no end. His light shines throughout the 10 directions. He knows the mental patterns of all sentient beings. There is no world he does not enter. Knowing what pleases all sentient beings, he expounds an ocean of teachings according to suitability. The expressions and meanings, great and far-reaching, are not the same. Complete wisdom can perceive them all. Buddha radiates light, illumining the world. Those who see it rejoice without fail. It shows the vast, profound realm of pure peace. Delight in pleasing adornments understands this. The Buddha showers the rain of truth without bound, able to make witnesses greatly rejoice. Supreme roots of goodness are born from this. Such is the realization of exquisite light. Entering into all aspects of teaching with enlightening power, ages of cultivation and discipline thoroughly pure, all this is for the salvation of beings."